Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw a tall and cute giraffe, step by step. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First, let's draw the giraffe's head. Start by drawing a small oval shape. Now draw two little horns called ossicones. Next, draw a small circle for the eye. Add a tiny dot inside for the pupil. Now draw two small ears on the sides. Great job! Now, add a slightly longer shape in front for the mouth. Now let's draw the giraffe's long neck. Draw two long lines going down from the head. Wow, that's a tall giraffe! Now let's draw the body. Time for the legs. Draw four long, straight legs under the body. Great job! Add extra lines for details. Awesome! Draw a thin tail at the back with a little tuft. Now add spots all over the giraffe's body and neck. These spots make your giraffe special. Now draw highlights. Now it's time to color. Use yellow or light orange for the body. Color the spots brown. You can add a sky or trees in the background. Make it bright and fun. Awesome job, everyone! Your giraffe looks amazing!